guys, it's Naturally in here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. Look at my hair. I did my own braids and I think they look really cute. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this hair, keep on watching. It took me 3 days, but I really could have got it done in one, but I don't know how to sit down, but I'm working on it. So yeah, I started my hair on Sunday. I need to do my eyebrows too, y'all. I started doing my hair on Sunday. I literally washed my hair at like 6 p.m. Like started the wash day process, and then I blow dried it. And then after I blow dried it, I twisted all of my hair up. So that was a whole process. I pre-parted my hair for the braids and twisted it up, and then I started braiding. And then after I had like one row in the back and maybe like a couple on this side, I was like, good night. If you've come across this video at this time while this is going on, I just really want to say, like, please take this time to really think about what's really going on. Like, a lot of people have been getting sick and going out even though they're sick, and that's not what we're supposed to do. When we get sick, we're supposed to sit down, chill out, take a rest, stay at home so you don't get no other people sick. And people don't know how to do that. People don't know how to sit down. Like I just said, I don't know how to sit down, but when I get sick, yeah, sometimes I do still be trying to go around, but when I know that I'm sick, I be like, okay, I'm gonna take a step back, I'm gonna take a break, because that's what I need to do. And everybody needs to do that. Everybody be on the move, everybody be trying to do the next thing, trying to get the new thing. Like everybody just be going. So I feel like this whole coronavirus is just like, it's God telling us to sit the F down, okay? Just sit down, relax, get your life together, clean your house up because you ain't cleaned it in 5 years. Get rid of some clothes because you ain't worn in 10 years. Throw away some papers because you don't need those. Like, it's spring cleaning. Spring is coming. So, you know, Easter is coming. Like, all this other stuff that they just threw the coronavirus in to distract us from, like, everything else that's going on, because it's just a way bigger picture than it is. And I'm not trying to take away from the coronavirus, say that it's not serious, and say that, you know, I don't like, but I'm not, don't be out here living in fear. Don't be scared that you're gonna get the coronavirus and die, because at the end of the day, like one of my YouTube group chats, the girl said the number of death tolls is really high, and that's all that they're showing, but they're not showing the number of survivors and, you know, what's going on with those people who aren't dying and how they are getting through it. They're not sharing that information, and it's just like, so you just want me to die, huh? But don't take heed to all of that. Just stay in what you know, because when you know, you know, if you know that God got you. God got you. As long as you take care of yourself, take this as the time to relax, get some things together that you haven't had the time to, because you've been on the move, you've been running, you've been ripping and running back and forth, doing all this crazy stuff. Take some time to spend time with your family, with your loved ones. Call somebody that you haven't talked to in a while. Get off of social media looking at all these stupid coronavirus challenges. I don't even know what's going on for real, because I gave up social media, like for real. I hop on sometimes and I hop right back off, because I'm just like, everybody is kind of stupid. But I don't want to say that. I don't really mean that. I don't think everybody is stupid, but y'all, I'm tired. And people be on some other stuff, and I'm just not trying to be on that. And I don't want y'all to be on that either. I just want y'all to, you know, I really don't want to say it, but I gotta say it. I want y'all to follow Christ, because that's the only way to go, okay? My favorite thing to think when I do things and say things: what would Jesus do? What would Jesus think? How would Jesus react? And in this Lenten period, it's just so ironic to me that, you know, this is what's going on during Lent. But I'm sorry to get into all of that. I just want you guys to watch my video, see how I did my braids. So I'm gonna stop talking now, let you guys finish the tutorial, and I'll see you in the end. So before I get straight into how I managed to braid my own hair, the product that helped me keep my hair blended was the Murray Superior Hairdressing Pomade. I'm a little less than halfway done braiding, and I've gotten to the point of realizing why braiders put the grease on the back of their hand, and it's because it's much easier and quicker to access, and it melts down while it's there, making it easier to apply to my braiding sections. This pomade is really tough and sticky, and that's why it helped my braids look so neat. And I did try my best to show you guys a close-up of how I grip the root so I can do my braid the right way, but it was kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, I get a bit of a better close-up toward the end of the video, or like, but you'll see what I mean in a second. So one of the best ways that I can explain what I did was separate my real hair into two sections after I applied the Murray's pomade, excuse me. And then I take two strands of the braiding hair and I kind of like wrap it around my real hair to like get the braid started. And that's basically what you do, but like, wow, it sounded way easier than what it really is. But like, I find that it's a little bit easier to do it without the rubber band for the simple fact that I don't have to worry about hiding the rubber band. Like, it is kind of difficult to grip the root tight, but once you figure out how to grip it, like, it comes with practice. Another tricky thing about doing your own box braids is finding the right kind of parting to do so that the braids lay the way that you want them to. Like, that's something I really haven't mastered yet, and I've been practicing on one of my friends, like doing her braids, trying to figure out the best way to part the hair in order for it to lay flat and lay in a way where you can do different styles such as buns and things like that. And since I've had these braids in my hair, only a few styles really work for me. But this is the braiding hair that I'm using, and I'm going to talk more about it in the end of the video, so keep on watching until the end. And I noticed that on the package that I have, it shows you how to take care of the hair as far as washing your real hair while your hair is in the braids and how to care for the braiding hair. So I'm probably going to be doing another video on how I wash my braids and things like that because now I know how to. this is my hair all done. I dipped the ends in hot water, and some of the braids, like some of them are like stupid big back here, like this one right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it. That one's not too bad. This one's stupid big. But I think when I dipped the ends of my braids into the water, like some of my hair might have got in the water, and like that's why they look stupid big like that. I don't know, but this is the length of them. They're not very long at all because I didn't want them to be. I was going to put beads at the end, but I don't know if I really want to do that because I do like to put my hair in a ponytail when I have braids because I don't like the swinging in my face. But they basically stop like right at my boobs. They're really like medium sized, and yeah, I really like how they turned out. I think I did a really good job. Oh, this is a cute style right here. But yeah, so yeah. I was also thinking about doing rollers at the ends. Oh, here it is. I was thinking about doing rollers at the ends so that they can be curly. That would be cute. I was gonna do that like not now, but I was gonna do that like probably yesterday, but I decided to go to sleep instead. But eventually I'll put rollers at the end of the braids so that I can have a little more oomph, a little more flavor, a little more pizzazz in my head, because you know these are kind of boring right now. They're just braids and they're just black and they're just straight. Well, they're not even black, they brown, but you know, dark brown. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll do that in a separate video. I also realized on the pack of braiding hair that I have, I used free tress braiding hair. I showed you guys what it looked like. Hold on. So I used free tress braid 301 natural texture 4-time mega pack. There was 2 right here. So this is the remaining hair that I have. I bought 2 packs of this, and so that means I had 8 little bundles, and I got 1 more, the one that I used to finish literally like my last 3 or 4 braids. Braiding hair is hanging on the door, and this is what I have left. So I could have used this hair to like add on to make them longer. I could have done smaller braids, but I didn't want to do none of that. I like how this is. I really wanted a box braid bob, but my hair literally goes down to like right there. So like if I cut it, it's still not even gonna be bob length because I don't want to burn my hair off or anything. So that's why I'm just gonna do the little curly curls. But yeah, I think I did a really good job. Like, guys, I don't really know what the parts back here look like, but my brother told me they were good. My friends told me they were good. And you know, it's the other side, and the front is way better than the first time I did box braids on myself. So I'm just really proud of myself. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you like this video, leave a comment if you feel it yourself, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel with that notification bell click so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.